Greetings, background. We're going to be looking at how we can use WordArt in our Microsoft Word document. Yes, very important there. All right, so this is it for the document. So we're going to be seeing how we can actually use WordArt right there. So what I wanted to do, I want to go up to the Insert tab right here. I'm going to click on it. Now, when I click on Insert tab, it brings the window. Bring down the ribbon instead. If you notice, you come on right here. That said text. If you notice, it said WordArt. You're going to click right here. Notice. These are the different types of WordArt. Right, if I come and I click on this one, you notice it show you right here. Add text right here. So I'm going to put how are you? Notice if I come right here, I can actually change it if I want, right? And if I can actually curve it if I really want. If I come right here, I come right down, it says a transform, and I come right here. If I click it, you notice it start to curve. If I put the cursor right at the end like this, you notice it literally actually look curve right there like that. So that's how you can actually use WordArt right here in your Microsoft Word document. I hope you have learned something from this short discourse. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.